this is Wen. Today's video guys, I just want to share what's going on our Saturday afternoon and keep watching. Cuckoo, come. Are you hiding? Where's Christmas? Come on. Coco. Hi guys, Cuckoo. Hi, Cuckoo. Hi, Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Just trying to clean this out for you, okay? Just trying to...
Guys, look at this. I don't know if this is a snake or a worm. Guys, let me show you the birds in our front porch. Look at them. They are so amazing. They are eating the food I put in our porch and they are enjoying it, guys. And guys, let me show you these beautiful flowers at the park. Look at guys, it's so absolutely beautiful and I really like the color of the wildflowers, guys. It's so pretty. So guys, let me show you guys what we have for our dinner. Okay, so we went to Santa Fe and this is one of our favorite restaurant here in town. Okay, so here's the first items, guys. This is for the baked potato. Okay, and then what's this one? Okay, this is the salad. Okay, that's for my husband. Have they give us the bread? I think this is the rolls. Okay, so here's the bread. Ooh, that looks so good. It's been a while since the last time we ate this. Okay, what is this one? Oh, here's my sweet potato fries. And guys, look at my food. Oh my god, that looks so good. Guys, here's my food. Here's the Southwest pasta. Okay, that's really good. That's mine. This is mine. Where is the steak? Check. Okay, guys, and here's the flautas. Okay, look at the flautas. It looks so good. We have too much food. But we paid $40, guys. $49 goes to 50, I guess. And can you check? Okay, and I think here's steak.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
The baked
That's
potato.
the steak and the baked potato. Okay, guys, we're just gonna eat first. Okay, tell them let's eat.
Oh, let's eat, yeah.
Ciao. Ciao. There you have it, guys. So here's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you liked it, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click that red bell notification so you will be updated to my next vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.